I'm Alex Lohman.
I'm Jennifer Lohman.
And our company is Hinges Creak. We specialize in molding, casting, replication, and we're your source for molding and casting supplies.
We also have 25 years experience in set design, lighting, consulting, special effects, actor training, and operating attractions.
Additionally, we offer classes on any of these topics at any location across the country.
So stick around, watch some of the things that we can do.
This is one of our more popular pieces. This is called a monster, but this is kind of a good representation of a lot of the work that we do.